Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain basic LCM and HCF math question. The question is, the ratio of two numbers is 3:4 and their HCF is 4. What is the LCM of the two numbers? Let the number be 3a and 4a. We know LCM into HCF equal product of two numbers, or LCM into HCF is 4 equal product of two numbers is 3a into 4a, or LCM equal 3a into 4a by 4. Now we cancel by the table of 4. Cancel 4 and 4, or LCM equal 3 into a square. Now LCM of 3a and 4a equal 12a. Then 3a square equal 12a. Cancel a and a. Cancel by the table of 3. 3 4s are 12, or a equal 4. So LCM equal 12 into 4 equal 48. Answer. Okay, am I clear? Thank you for watching my video.